spike!
Next year, I'm hibernating.
Huh? Mom, are you okay? My stomach hurts a lot. You need to call an ambulance in case something's wrong with the baby. Oh, it's not working. Oh, we'll have to drive to the hospital. Oh, it's iced shut. Huh? Oh.
I hate the cold.
Oh, we need to get to the hospital now. Oh, we can pull my mum in this.
I'm so cold. I'm too tired.
You're too hot. You've got too many layers on.
Well, excuse me for not wanting to freeze.
Oh,
What is that?
I don't know, but it sounds big.
A monster!
Not a monster, a moose. Don't worry, moose are only aggressive if you get between them and their baby.
Like that, baby?
Huh? Oh no! Run! Grab the oar!
We have to help the baby moose.
We're going to get hypothermia!
I got it. The river's got spikes.
The moose! She thinks we stole her baby! Leave my babies alone! Mom! We need to get to the hospital right now!
We're still so far away.
Oh, what in tarnation?
We couldn't get a taxi. Woohoo! I love sliding. Come on, Bowen. What's wrong?
You see, it all started back in pre-K.
Come on, Poem, what are you waiting for? Don't be such a weenie. Weenie, weenie, weenie.
Gosh, Poem, that's awful. Want some help conquering your fears?
I'm not so sure.
I promise I won't let anything bad happen. Starting now. Slide relay mode activated. Almost there. Slow and steady.
It's actually working. Too fast, too fast.
That's what I call a face plant.
I'm stuck.
I'm coming, Poem.
No, Sparkle.
try things. Step 1, sit. Step 2, breathe. And finally, slide! You can do this! You can do this! I can't do it! It's too high! Okay, maybe you can't do this.
Well, look who's trying to face her fears. I say we give her a little help.
Any day now, Pam.
It's just a slide. It's just a slide. The old playset. Sparkle.
It's a trap!
Sorry, Poem, but this slide isn't for weenies. Only one way down now.
It's so scary! We should wait for help!
Uh-oh, let's get out of here.
Quickly! We don't have time! I won't let anything bad happen to you! This is actually fun! Well, I can't see how those two can call me a weenie anymore! All clean! Huh? No worries. I'm coming, Goo. I wish you'd just learn to use the potty.
Sheesh. Mom seems tired.
Yeah, well, can you blame her?
If only one of us could trick Goo into using his training toilet. I bet whoever did that would probably earn themselves, say, a trip to the water park. Huh? Sparkle?
Come on, Gil. I want to go to the water park with Mommy.
Sparkle? Are you out of your mind? You can't simply make Goo use the potty. I just came up with a great idea. Okay, Goo. Time to poo. Maybe I need to shake him a bit.
I sure do love my training toilet. Come on. Almost there.
Hey, kids, it's me, Miss Rabbit.
Hey, what gives? I was so close.
Shh, yeah, right. I'm the only one who can potty train Goo.
No, I am.
Let go, Sparkle.
No, you let go. You don't even have any good ideas.
You don't either.
And when we're sharing toys, we always remember to wash our hands.
Miss Rabbit!
Huh?
Just a little further now.
I can't believe this is really working. Come on. What's going on in here? Seriously?
If I'd have known you kids were so interested in being helpful, I would have taught you guys to change diapers a long time ago.
Muddles, look! We're finally tall enough to ride the coaster!
Whoa, how cool, Spike! I can't wait!
Let's go! Muddles! Come, check this out! Look! We're going to go through a loop-de-loop! How cool is that?
Oh!
This is it, Muddles!
Oh! No! Hey, Spike, what if, what if they run out of ice cream while we're still in line? Maybe we should go get some and ride the coaster later.
Huh? Run out of ice cream? This is an amusement park, silly. They won't run out of ice cream. Now, come on. It's almost our turn.
Yelp! Spike, listen, I'm not sure about this whole coaster thing.
Not sure? But Muddles, we're finally big enough to ride.
I know, but Sparkle?
Where am I?
Sparkle! You rode the coaster? What was it like?
It was terrifying. One moment they were fastening my seatbelt, and then it was a blur. I can barely remember what happened at all. I can't even remember my own name.
Sparkle? Sparkle?
Get out while you still have the chance.
Oh!
Look, Muddles, we don't have to do this.
Really?
Of course not. We can just ride the kiddies' coasters. Check out Babble and Goof. They look like they're having a good time.
Wow. Looks like Muddle's getting out of line. Guess he's too afraid to ride the big boy coaster.
Don't listen to them, Muddles. Let's go.
No! I'm not getting out of line. I can do this.
Yes! Here we go, Muddles. No going back now.
I can do this. I can do this. Maybe we're not even that high up. I'll take a peek. You've got to be kidding me! Oh! Oh gosh! Here we go! That loop was smaller than I remembered.
That's because the giant loop is up ahead.
Oh! My glasses! Woohoo! Wow, I can't believe how fun that was! We did it!
Yeah! Let's get an ice cream cone to celebrate. 2 ice cream cones, please.
Sorry, boys. We just ran out. But I haven't told the story yet, Sparkle.
But I am already scared.
I want to hear the scary story.
No. It's time for sleep.
But Grandma...
Come on, Sparkle.
Oh,
No. No more treats for tonight.
That's enough treats for tonight.
It's just an hour. What was that? Huh? Oh, it's just my tummy. You want a midnight snack, don't you? Okay, shh. Just be quiet. The cookies! No!
oh, it's you, Sparkle. What?
There's a monster in the woods, and it ate all my cookies.
Okay. Let's see what Grandpa thinks. Grandpa! Where's Grandpa?
Oh no! The monster took him! Oh no!
Grandpa? Are you there?
Told you there was a monster!
Shh.
Kids,
Grandma!
come on, let's go back.
But what about the monster?
And where's Grandpa?
catching fireflies.
Grandpa!
Huh? You found a clue. Let's follow the trail.
But... oh no, where did everyone go? What if... Grandma! Wait for me!
Shh.
Oh, poor baby.
Let's help him.
No, it's too dangerous. It can figure it out on its own.
Yay!
Go away, Cloud. My weather remote will fix this. Let's bring the winds. Oh no! My weather remote!
Oh no! What's happening?
Let's see on the other channels. Where's the remote?
I don't know.
Huh?
Come on. Oh, we're missing the dance. Why isn't it working?
Huh?
What's happening?
Come on, Muddles! We can make it! We made it! Muddles? Muddles!
Wait until they're ready.
Coming!
Snow?
We're missing the dance.
This is strange. Oh, here's the remote.
Oh, come on, girls. Help us find Muddles.
Stay away, snow monster!
Professor Roar!
Oh, hi. I'm afraid this is all my fault.
Then where's Muddles?
Oh, where did the snow come from?
Oh, it's my weather remote's fault. Help me find it.
A remote?
Daddy, no!
Why isn't this working? Huh? Sparkle?
Daddy! Daddy!
What are you doing there? The remote! Press the remote! Got you, son. Oh, here you are. Oh, okay. This is relaxing.